I'm Andy Porter, and I'm the Custom Design Manager in Interface Design Studio. Interface Design Studio is both a team and a service. When the designer gets a request, there's typically a consult that happens so that the designer can speak directly to the designer or the end user or the client. And that connectivity is really where a lot of magic happens. We're very knowledgeable about carpet and the entire manufacturing process. So we have to have a combined knowledge of both the technical side and the design side, because we like to be involved throughout the entire design process. We can help coordinate products if you have existing finishes, or we can customize product to fit a client's need. We like to think of IDS as both a partner and a collaborator for our designers and end users. Our team specifically works with designers on customization. So my role in Interface Design Studio is to kind of oversee the custom design process to make sure all the designers have what they need for every project. One of the benefits that the custom design team offers designers time and resources. We know flooring best, we know our products the best, so you should use that knowledge to your advantage.
I am Jacob Martinson. I am the Concept Design Manager. The Concept Design team is one department under the IDS umbrella that really focuses on application of products. So we can really plug in at any portion of the design process. We really pride ourselves on sort of following that design process that an A&D firm would as well, so that we can speak that language and have that designer to designer interaction with them. So a lot of times with our projects, we're being brought in to save those designers billable hours. A lot of times designers are focused so much on different parts of the space, the lighting, the furniture, other finishes, that we can really come in and take their floors to a new level that they never would have thought possible. The Concept Design team frequently utilizes the entire Interface product portfolio, especially because we're working with floor plans, which is the entire space. It's not just isolated to one area. So a lot of times we're trying to figure out how to leverage the product portfolio in the best way possible, whether that's sort of your back of house space, your open office if we're working in a corporate environment, but we're really able to use the entire brand. We use Interface carpet, LVT, Nora rubber, and floor, which is our specialty design carpet tile. For designers working with our team, it's really important that they have someone that they trust and that they can speak that same design language to. So a lot of times, we're really simplifying the process and getting them from point A to point B in a project as fast and efficient as possible.